Now, we did the landing already before, and the reason why is because once we do this, it won't give us enough angle to get the stable gun under here. So we did this landing already before, and we already finished the top stairs. So this is the last landing to be done, but what we have to do is we have to line it up so it aligns here. We're not going up the baseboard, we're finishing down here, but we need to make sure that it lines up here and looks good. And we need to make sure that it lines up here perfectly as well, okay? So what we can do is we can just flip it. You can see that it needs to move up. Okay. Looks good there, looks good there. Now what we have to do is we have to line it up here at the front as well. Okay, that looks nice, that looks nice, and that looks nice. We're pretty close. Okay. Four and a quarter, 4 1/8. Don't put your foot through the wall, people. But see this, if you don't have any room, I'm just pushing that, putting some pressure on that, getting it in the smooth edge there. And then pounding it down. Same thing here, foot, pressured, not too much, your drywall will pop. And I'll do one more here. Pressure, foot, wall, especially if it's a tight little area. A little bit of pressure. Now that's hooked on the smooth edge. Now we can just fine tune. Okay, got a good blade. Let's just get the blade. There's a sharp one on the other side. This cut has to be perfect. So see here, this is not a perfect angle. So, and that's gonna be open to the public. So let's try to get that down. And then instead of this angle, we're gonna go there, up a little bit. And if we need to, because we've been putting these staples, we can kick that in a little bit, but it looks good. Score it on top of those pins, push that felt backing or whatever backing you have through those pins to lock it in, clean the fluff out. Okay, and then push all that beautiful fiber in there. Look at that, nice and clean, looks amazing. One staple over here. Let's lock this in. Done, done, and done. Now you can put a little bit of bead of glue here, but I'm not going to put any staples there because the smooth edge is here. All I might do with that smooth edge is bang the pins down. What happens when you bang the pin down, you fold it down, and what that does is that holds the carpet into place. See this here, guys? It's a little pushy. Wiggle and staple it right into the smooth edge. Bang that down. Done. And then we have our upper landing there, right? And our upper stairs there. We're just gonna clean up and then we'll do the reveal.